Changing row height. You can change the height of a row using the Format tool in the Cells group on the Home tab. Follow the steps shown to change the row height. Select any cell of the row. Click on Format to open its drop-down menu as shown. Click on Row Height to open the Row Height dialog box. Click on Auto Fit Row Height to let Excel automatically adjust row height as per contents of the cells in the row. Enter a specific height you want for the row. Click on OK. Smart tip.
Position the cursor over the line of row headings till it turns to a double arrow. Click and without releasing the mouse button, drag the row downward or upward to increase or decrease the row height.
Changing column width. Similarly, you can also change the width of a column. Follow the steps shown to change the column width. Select any cell of the column. Click on Format to open the drop-down menu as shown. Click on Column Width to open the Column Width dialog box. Click on Auto Fit Column Width to let Excel automatically adjust column width as per contents of the cells in the column. Click on Default Width to set the same width for all the columns of the worksheet. Enter a specific width you want for the column. Click on OK. Enter uniform width for all columns in your worksheet. Smart tip. Position the cursor over the column line in the column heading till it turns to this. Click and without releasing the mouse button, drag the column to the right or left to increase or decrease column width.